Look no further if you're looking for innovative ways to make money online, because I'm going to show you a super easy, brand new, and entirely free technique today. You can earn $100 or more in minutes by just copying and pasting. The crazy part is that you don't even need a social media platform to make money this way. Most importantly, you can do it from anywhere on the planet. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. In this technique, the first website we'll use is socialpilot.co. This is a tool for keeping track of your social media profiles. Many people who are running a business and don't have the time to manage their social media would search for sites like this to handle the work for them so that they can concentrate on other things. The fact that this site's pricing is so inexpensive, by scrolling down a little, you may see the particular price differences between Social Pilot and some of its biggest competitors. As you can see, there's a substantial difference. Not only does Social Pilot provide a free trial, but its prices are also drastically lower than those of other similar services. For servicing 25 accounts, they will charge you $30 per month. Meanwhile, Hootsuite would charge you $130 for just 20 profiles, which is more than 4 times the cost of maintaining fewer profiles. The low cost, in my opinion, are one of the best features of this business. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, you may learn more about this website and all of its amazing features. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to make this video any longer. To get to the bottom of the page, you'll have to scroll all the way down. Also, keep an eye out for company. You will then select an affiliate program from the drop-down menu. This technique is unlike any other affiliate strategy you've seen. We won't be promoting Social Pilot on a single social media network. Instead, I'll show you how to spot people who could benefit from having this tool do their work for them. Stay tuned for that, and of course, willing to sign up for it. Social Pilot's affiliate program includes a number of elements that, in my opinion, make it valuable. To begin with, they provide 30% commissions, which is a fantastic deal. Despite the fact that there are sites that potentially offer higher commissions, the free trial that I mentioned earlier will draw more people to this site. That helps to level the playing field a little, because if people can try it out for free and see how useful it is, they'll be more likely to pay for it. Meanwhile, the lack of a free trial complicates matters significantly. People must first pay them, which is risky because they have no way of knowing whether or not this is a legitimate website, and they understandably don't want to just hand over their money. If you scroll down a little on this page, you can see how it works. To begin, create a free account on Social Pilot by following the steps outlined below. You'll then promote Social Pilot in order to get some others to sign up using your affiliate link. And of course, you're compensated. Another great feature of their payments is that you may make a 30% commission on every new paid membership with Social Pilot in every renewal. You will get paid for the entire year if someone signs up for an annual plan. If they renew and sign up for another year, you'll continue to profit. As a result, Social Pilot is a fantastic affiliate marketing platform. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. You'll discover that this site will pay you via PayPal if you scroll down a little. This is incredible. The payment was made for you using PayPal. A small downside is that you'll need $50 to withdraw your earnings. But with all of the other excellent stuff this site has to offer, it's not a huge concern. To get started working as an affiliate, simply click here. You'll be able to create a new account after entering some basic information. Now, I'll show you where and how you can obtain traffic. We'll be using peopleperhour.com as our traffic source. If you're unfamiliar with what this platform is all about, it's a freelancing website where you may work as a freelancer or seek various services. We shall not be soliciting services or functioning as a freelancer on this platform. So let me show you how this site will help us increase traffic. All you have to do now is press the search button on this page. then you'll want to click on Search Offers just below that. It will now show those who have posted a job on this site offering their services as freelancers. All you have to do now is type social media management into the search bar right here. This person has over 8,000 reviews and a price of $155. We're talking about hundreds of dollars in wages. This isn't the only one who works in a similar capacity. You'll see that there are over 1,300 results when you return to this page. Every single one of the 1,300 results is a potential customer. Why? These individuals must complete all of the tasks on their own. At the same time, they manage a big number of social media accounts. They will only be investing a small amount of money, but if they use Social Pilot, they will see a huge return on that investment. You can see on Social Pilot that a monthly subscription can cost as little as $25. Meanwhile, the man I showed you previously charged over $150 per customer. So a single customer would be enough for them to make a significant profit. This is why these people are great potential customers. They put in a lot of effort and time, and Social Pilot would be very useful to them. It's a terrific deal. Plus, the free trial kicks in here, so you'll be able to gain a lot more customers. All you have to do now is contact a couple of these individuals. You must first open their offers in order to do so. Then, as you can see, you must go to this page and click on their account. Simply click Contact right here on the next page. You'll be able to communicate with them. Please keep in mind that you're not allowed to share your affiliate link with these people on People Per Hour. You will be blacklisted if you do so. Instead, tell them you have a business idea for them that would be incredibly profitable, and that you'd prefer their email address in case you need to contact them again. If they provide you with their email address, you can only send them the link. I'd recommend sending an email along these lines. You can either replicate this one or make your own version. I wrote near the end, if you want more details and the link to the said tool, feel free to message me. If they do message you, go through all of the great features that Social Pilot has to offer. Tell them about the low prices, the free trial, and how much more money they could make by using Social Pilot for a nominal fee. Then, in that message, include your affiliate link. Then it's only a matter of rinsing and starting over to find new customers. To get their email address, contact them through People Per Hour and then send them your affiliate link. You'll attract a lot of people to sign up for your link this way, and you'll never run out of customers. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.